It may be that you want to put a more decorative finish on the edge here, and you could make a bow, so I'll show you how to do that. For the bow I'm going to show you, you'll need some wide ribbon. I've got some satin ribbon here and a slightly narrower ribbon in the same colour, and I'm going to cut off about 40 centimetres of each ribbon. And onto the wider ribbon here, again about 40 centimetres. For the moment, set aside the narrower ribbon, and with the wider ribbon, hold it in your hands and let the cut ends cross over, so you're creating a little V shape here and a loop at the bottom. And where the ribbons have crossed, pinch them between your finger and thumb and let it rest back onto the back edge of the ribbon and pinch that together, so you can see it's already beginning to form a very simple bow. Take your narrow ribbon and fold that in half, matching the cut ends together. And slide the loop end underneath your bow and thread the cut ends through the loop and pull to secure. Pull that really tight, and that's what holds the bow together. And then you can adjust and make the loops stand out a bit more and the tails look more obvious. You'll need to tie a knot on the back of this so it doesn't slip apart. There's your finished bow. I'm going to leave these tails long and trim up the side tails, folding them in half, and from the folded edge, taking my fabric scissors, cutting diagonally from the folded edge up and out towards the edge of the bow, and that'll give you a fishtail detail. It looks pretty. I'll stop the ribbon fraying as well, so fold the ribbon in half, and from the cut end, cut up and outwards diagonally to the edge of the ribbon. And there is your other fishtail. The next job is to attach this ribbon onto your posy. So position your bow onto your posy, take the long legs of ribbon round the back, pull tight, bring them up underneath the bow, back round to the back, and then finish off above the bow, and that'll just hold everything in place. You've then got two more little tails here, exactly the same thing. Fold them in half and cut diagonally to create a little fishtail detail.